Introducing the Accessibility Checker by UXMate, your go-to tool for seamless color accessibility, checks right within Figma. With the Accessibility Checker brought to you by UXMate, evaluating color contrast in your designs has never been easier. Say goodbye to the hassle of navigating to external websites or tools. Now, you can assess color accessibility directly from your Figma canvas. Here's how it works. Simply select two objects in your design featuring solid colors you want to test. With just a click on Check Contrast, the Accessibility Checker will analyze the selected colors and provide immediate feedback on their contrast ratio. Not only does the Accessibility Checker save you time and effort, but it also ensures that your designs meet accessibility standards. By quickly identifying whether your color combinations pass AA and AAA standards, you can make informed decisions to enhance the accessibility of your designs. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Accessibility Checker by UXMate today and elevate the accessibility of your Figma projects with confidence.